Do you have a large doc with lots of sections and parts? Are you trying to organize it in an easy way for people to navigate and read without having to scroll through a ton of pages? Organize with tabs in Docs. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to create tabs in Docs. Let's get started. In a doc, click the Tabs and Outline button to open the side panel. From there, add and name tabs, and those tabs can be clicked on and viewed individually by anyone in the doc. You can also get the link to a specific tab by clicking on the three dots, Copy Link. As long as your share settings are correct, it will take someone specifically to that tab in the doc. So there you have it. Create tabs in Docs in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.